Hello everybody, my name is Nicholas, here on Mushy Llama. The lighting sucks everywhere downstairs here. I'm going to the bar area. So yeah, basically I've been doing nothing for the past couple days. What's this? Oh, nothing at all. Same with another one that I have. I need to hide it. Can't find it. Anyways, I'm just going to be talking about my weekend. So on Saturday, I went to a place where every kid wants to go, minus every kid except for kids in Calgary. Callaway Park. Because Callaway Park is awesome, I guess. Where is that? I have it somewhere around here. Not too sure where it is. Ah! You can ignore this too. Wait, here. Just ignore this, please. This, just ignore that too. Where's my mom have my pen? Oh crap, my pen here. Doesn't matter. Anyways. And yesterday I hung out and played video games, and today at noon I went out for dinner at noon. Ate some real nice turkey and everything for Thanksgiving dinner. And then I came back here. My mom's around 3 o'clock. We waited a couple hours, and then at 5 o'clock I had another dinner. This time it was actually dinner, but at noon it was dinner. So, but otherwise, today has been a really nice day so far. Basically, I just played video games and ate, so that's basically my life every day. Until school gets in my way. Holy crap, is that a fly? Oh, it's gone now. It was a fruit fly. Damn those things. We don't even have any fruit in this house. What the frick is it looking for? Better not be looking for my popcorn. Man, do I love my popcorn. Oh, I'm too full to eat. Don't want to eat that. So anyways, I was just playing. What, this? This is nothing. This is nothing. Then again, it is unloaded. Same with this one. It's unloaded. That's why. What is this? Holy crap. Oh, that's hot. So I turned on my TV today. I don't get a single channel. That's all I get on my TV. Look at that. Look at that. That's all I get. Oh, God. Probably gonna have to watch a movie tonight. Left my Xbox over at my mom's boyfriend's house. I'm gonna show you this thing. It's really cool. This bird thing. Here, I'll go over to where you can actually see stuff. Here. Can you see me? You see me? It doesn't matter about me. You just need to see the bird. It's really cool. Really cool. Here, see? See this bird? No matter how you balance it, this is its center of balance right there. I'm not just flipping you off. See, look. Put it anywhere you want. It'll stay balanced. You can wiggle it around as much as you want. It won't fall off. Here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's pretty cool, right? Right? It's pretty cool. So yeah, it's my new best friend. Here. It's literally just hanging there. See? It's cool, right? Basically balance on whatever you want it to balance on. Let's put this pencil. I said let's put this pencil right here. Let's balance it. Here, hold on. Here, hold on. I'll be back in a second. I'm just gonna try and balance this. I might be able to do it right now. Let's see. It's easy. You can balance it on literally whatever you want it to. I'm gonna try and balance it right on the tip of this pencil. Whatever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, I guess. If you did, please leave a like down below. It really helps out a lot. Subscribe to see more NIA and future series, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.